Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Anecdotes, where we create short stories of art which are simple but beautiful, just perfect for art enthusiasts. So today I'm going to show you all how to create a beautiful front door painting. To start with, using pencil, I'm drawing a rough image of a door in the middle of the sheet. I want it to look like that it's a bit inside the wall and there is some space in front of it. That's why I'm drawing parallel lines surrounding the main door picture. At this point, I'm roughly marking the places where I'm gonna draw pots, plants, flowers and branches afterwards. Now, for getting the dimensions right, I'm marking straight lines using ruler on the previous rough image. After correcting the dimensions, now it's time to color everything. I started with our main door and I painted it in sections with light and dark brown color alternatively to give it an old wooden door look. I'm using watercolors in this video. You can use any medium of your choice. For the iron rods on the transom window, I'm using dark grey color. I'm going to make it look like a bare brick wall. That's why I'm painting small blocks in reddish brown color over the window. For the wall on the side of door and for doorstep, I'm using yellow color mixed in a bit of grey color. I'm gonna draw the stone flooring in front. That's why I'm drawing irregular shapes with light purple color, and then I started filling each and every shape with the same color. For giving it a three-dimensional look, I'm again outlining each and every stone, but this time I'm painting bold stroke on the lower side of stone and thin lines on the upper side, which will give flooring a shadow effect. Now, for painting a flowery tree on the side, I'm using green color and I'm just slightly touching the paper with brush. We don't have to be very accurate in drawing these leaves, just touch the paper with brush dabbed with green color. I'm using slightly darker shade of green for the shady areas of the tree. For the flowers on the tree, I'm using bright red color, which is also my favorite color, the same way by touching the paper with brush several times on the whole tree. Now it's time to fill rest of the picture with pots and plants and going the same way, light green color for the leaves and dark green color for the shady areas. For the glass on transom window, I'm using black watercolor. You can also use black sketch pen or black gel pen for more accuracy. in order to make this picture more colorful, I'm adding more plants and flowers on both sides. Now for the wall, I'm using ruler again and I'm marking the straight lines for the series of bricks. I have mixed red color with brown color and I'm painting the bricks in rectangular shapes one by one on the whole blank space. It is very relaxing for me to paint these bricks one by one and I'm really enjoying this process. For intensifying the colors of flowers, I'm adding more brush strokes with red color on the tree and also I'm filling the gaps or empty spaces in between with green color. At this point, I was almost done with this painting, but I felt that it needed more brightness, so I decided to paint the door in bright red color, but in the same way, one section at a time. Now I'm finishing the look with black ink pen and also I added a knob on the door. For the areas where there was need to add more colors, I did fill those areas with the respective colors. That's it, our beautiful front door painting is ready. If If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel Anecdotes and hit that bell icon for future videos. Thank you. Bye.